you how to safely operate a lathe. So the first step of operating the lathe is to turn it on. The way you do that is you pull out this emergency stop button. In order to pull it out, you simply twist to the left and you let go and it will pop out. If this green light is on, that means that the lathe is turned on. If you're ever in a situation where you're cutting and you need to stop the lathe immediately, press the emergency stop button in immediately. When you're done using the lathe, always remember to turn it off by pressing the emergency stop button so that it doesn't get turned on by someone else. Now let's move on to the chuck. This here is the chuck. This is the part that's going to be spinning your piece around. So this over here is your safety flap. Remember to always keep the safety flap down when you're cutting or doing anything with the lathe. This is to prevent you from hurting yourself, because while you're cutting you might accidentally put your arms, your face, your hair, or anything in the chuck, which can seriously damage you. Now, let me show you how to put pieces inside the chuck. So the way you do that is you take your piece and you slide it between the 3 prongs over here. Then you take the chuck key, which is this T-shaped piece over here. Then you find one of these holes over here. You insert the chuck key, and then you hold your piece up and you twist your chuck key to the right. Once it's secured, pull it really tight and make sure that your piece is not going to fall off. And that's how you put your piece in. To remove it, simply twist it the other way and remove your piece. This lever over here is your on-off lever. So when you want to turn the lathe on, you push this down, and when you want to turn it off, you pull it off. And remember, if you ever need to stop the lathe immediately, don't use this, press the emergency stop button. This over here is the tools you use for cutting and screwing. This lever, this dial over here, moves this whole system left and right. This dial over here is your coarse in and out adjustment. So if you twist it one way, it will move in. If you twist it out the other way, it will move out. This is your fine in and out adjustment. As you can see, it moves in a lot smoother and a lot less. So you use this to get close to your piece, and then you use this when you're actually cutting. So those are the basic dials of the lathe.